Hey everyone, Vince here. Welcome back to another video. Guys, today I'm going to be telling you 8 different applications that you can use to earn free cryptocurrency in 2022. I really hope you guys enjoy. Let's kick this off. So the first application I want to talk about is called Cointoply. Now, you've probably heard of Cointoply before, but if not, let me introduce you to it. Cointoply is a cryptocurrency earning application that not only allows you to earn Bitcoin, but you can also earn Litecoin, Dogecoin, and Dash currency. Now, the way you actually earn this cryptocurrency is from completing surveys or completing offers. You're gonna find that most of the applications that actually do pay people require you to input some sort of work, guys. So whether it be an offer or a survey, you're gonna have to do something to actually earn legitimate cryptocurrency, if that makes sense. What I wanna point out as well is that most of these apps don't pay heaps of cryptocurrency, but at least they will actually get you started on your path to earning some sort of crypto online. Something that I love about Cointoply is that it has a thriving community, and it literally has hundreds of offers and surveys for you guys to complete out there to actually start earning crypto. I'm happy to say that Cointoply does pay the user, and it usually only takes 2 days for them to process your cash out. So I'm for sure going to include it on today's list. Next up on the list is Freecash. Freecash to me is such a fantastic application, everyone, and of course website, due to the fact of how many different surveys and offers they actually allow the user to complete. Not only that, Freecash has so many cash out options, it's unbelievable. So we're not just talking about cryptocurrency here, guys. We're talking about across the board, all type of gift cards. They also have a very active community as well, with people chatting all throughout the day on the live chat, which is cool to see. Freecash really does blow me away with how fast they actually pay you out the cryptocurrency as well, because if you didn't know, once you've used Freecash enough, they will allow you to cash out instantly, everyone. But if you're a new user, you will have to get manually approved by a mod. But on Freecash, you can literally cash out the cryptocurrencies Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and Litecoin. So you have 4 different cryptocurrencies that you can actually withdraw from, which is actually really sweet to see, because it's hard to find any sort of survey platforms that really do offer up cryptocurrency these days. Fingers crossed more survey sites actually come through and do this type of thing, guys, because I really believe every single survey site now should start cashing out in crypto to some extent. Next on the list is a little application called Cryptosense. Now, Cryptosense to me has so much potential. You can literally cash out to over 10 or 15 different types of cryptocurrency on Cryptosense, everyone. The way you earn the cryptocurrency is from playing little mini games on the application itself. Now, the only kicker is you have to watch an advertisement to start the mini game off, and you have to watch an advertisement once the mini game ends, last time I played it. But the real thing that I love about Cryptosense is that it has instant cash outs, which is awesome to see. Now, just remember, guys, it is a very low paying application, but if you're curious about crypto and you don't want to spend any money whatsoever, and you don't want to complete surveys or offers, then Cryptosense is a great way to actually get started into crypto on the most bare minimum level, okay? Last time I checked as well, it was designed by one single guy, and it seemed to have blown up, so there you go. Next up is an application developer that brings the fun into actually earning cryptocurrency by playing games, and that's the developers Bling. Now, Bling games, everyone, in my opinion, are absolutely incredible for the fact of how fun their games are to play. The only problem is with Bling is that you earn literally a fraction of Bitcoin for each of their games. And look, I mean, I don't know what to really expect, because all you're doing is playing a couple of mini games on your phone to earn a fraction of Bitcoin. But the cool thing about Bling is that they actually do pay within usually 1 to 2 days straight to your Coinbase wallet, everyone. So you can't really complain too much. I mean, you're having fun earning some crypto. The only thing is, these type of like hyper casual games, in my opinion, are quite difficult after a certain period of time. I think they roughly have about 7 or 8 games now where you can earn cryptocurrency across the board on one account. So you share one single account between 8 or 7 of their applications. Sadly, you cannot just earn unlimited on Bling. You do have a certain amount of tries that you can try and complete each level on all the different applications per day. But other than that, I really do like Bling. Next up, we have the cryptocurrency games by the developers Be Programmers. Now, one of the games I'm talking about here is called Crypto Rise. Now, these little mini games essentially work in the same way that Cryptosense and Bling games work, guys. So think of it this way. You have little mini games that you have to watch ads to start to play. Then in return, once you beat the level, you get a little fraction of cryptocurrency. Now, the really cool thing about big programmers is that their applications allow you to actually cash out to multiple cryptocurrencies, including Shiba. So if you guys want to own a little fraction of Shiba, you can play some of the big programmers games. Not only that though, they allow you to cash out to the other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and you can even get USDC, everyone. And of course, Litecoin. I don't have anything to really complain about with big programmers. I just wish they paid a little bit more, but what can you do? Next up, we have the money-making app Feature Points. Now, Feature Points to me has a lot of potential to be a great application. Something that I do want to point out straight away here, guys, even though they do have a Bitcoin option to cash out to, it seems that you do need a minimum of 6,000 points, which equals about $10 USD. So you will have to grind a bit on Feature Points to cash out to your Coinbase wallet. So keep that in mind going forward, alright? Something that I do like about Feature Points is that they do have a large variety of ways for you guys to earn your points. Something else that I do want to say is that they do have a pending point system where essentially your points have to be verified that you earned them in a legitimate way. But if you can get past the pending point system, you can earn your points via completing surveys, playing games, and completing offers. Next up, we have one of the main applications I'm using at the moment called Arc8. Now you see everyone, Arc8 is actually a competitive cryptocurrency game where you go up against players from around the world to earn the cryptocurrency token called Gamey. Now these Gamey tokens at the moment of this recording are worth around 14 cents each. I've managed to earn 104 Gamey tokens by competing in Arc8's NFT competitions. But you guys out there don't have to own an NFT to use Arc8. You can actually enter into the free tournaments that are available every single day around the clock to win these Gamey tokens. So even if you don't want to spend any money on NFTs, you can earn Gamey tokens on Arc8 and still technically earn cryptocurrency by playing games. So I definitely have to recommend Arc8 for sure on this list. Last but not least is Stormgain, everyone. Now you see, Stormgain to me is very interesting. It's a cryptocurrency trading platform that does allow you to actually mine Bitcoin for free. So in the form of Tether, you're actually allowed to mine this currency every single day, 4 hours at a time, okay? So you can literally get essentially unlimited tether from Stormgain if you keep on mining it every single day. Now, one of the drawbacks of this feature is that you can't actually withdraw your mined currency. What you need to do is actually trade that currency and hope that it makes a profit. Then you can withdraw the profit that you make from the tether that you mined. Hopefully that makes sense, everyone. But I've had pretty good experience on Stormgain, except I lost my money in the recent cryptocurrency crash, but that's not Stormgain's fault. It's just bad timing. I happened to get into Stormgain as the cryptocurrency market crashed a month later. Try out Stormgain, guys. Links in the description below. Mine your free tether now, because that's all I'm doing at the moment. I'm not investing any more for quite a while. Oh yeah, and if you're wondering why that portrait's on the floor, it's because it fell off the hooks. Literally, the whole thing collapsed and I had to buy a new frame. Either way, thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you all in 1 to 2 days for the next money-making video. See you next time, guys.